Good day, everyone. I'm here with Mrs. Testa. How you doing today?
Yeah, doing good.
So tell me a little bit about how this thing got started with the tiki bar, where it was, and how it evolved. What do you think?
Well, when we bought the house a couple years ago, this was a legit tiki hut. And anytime the wind would blow, we just got debris in the pool, and it just wasn't my vibe. We kind of changed things up a little. So I found you guys online, read the reviews. They were fantastic. And yeah, actually these have the tiki poles inside. So the guys came out and cleaned and did it on time, and it was pretty tight time frame, and you guys fully delivered. Yeah.
I love it because, I mean, it complements the home, the hardy board. It really felt like, okay, it could be either, but the tropical, and I love your vibe, especially the metal roof. I mean, having the metal roof on this just makes it that extra, you know, not the shingle vibe, but the metal roof, like a real pavilion with tongue groove ceilings, all the custom brackets, especially the one for the ceiling fan. I love that. The colors are just matches the outdoor kitchen bar area, the furniture, the Sierra pavers. I mean, everything just pulled together. I love it. I mean, I love everything about it. What's your most favorite thing about it?
Well, we had no lights out here before. So my son got married this weekend, and we had 50 people out here, and we all sat and was able to, and the fans were kind of like, I don't know, just sort of homeowner prior to us did it. But I love the turning roof. I love it being more open, because you couldn't see the backyard before. The tiki, it you know, and it came like, you know, down to here. So I don't know, I love everything about it.
Well, I saved some of the tiki, so I'm going to put it back up when I get time. I'm going to get some posts. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I want to make a little chapel on the side lot at the house, a little place to have some quiet time and have some time with my father up there, in a quiet area. And I look forward to putting the tiki bar back together, and Ms. Testa look forward to getting the tiki bar out of here. So thank you very much.
Thank
You're
you.
so fun to work with. You have a blessed day. Everybody have a blessed day. We'll see you soon on the next project. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.